Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Sephora play and I am a few days behind some people. I'm super excited. If you are wondering what's on my lip and you don't watch the other videos or you didn't watch my live just a minute ago, I am wearing one of these Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquids in the color Orange Obsession that I got for $3.50 at Walmart. It was in my Walmart clearance makeup haul, which I will throw up here if I can. But I really like this one. But I'm really liking this. It feels a little very similar to L'Oreal Pro Matte glosses. So, okay. Here is, of course, my play card, and I noticed like they had it virtual last year. Or not last year, last month, like you could upload it and use it online. It's not allowing you to. I'm gonna say apparently. Why would you only do it for last year? I mean, everybody's told you, hey, make it available for online, even though it's just for crappy samples. I mean, so we can actually use it, because I don't really ever go in store to Sephora. But you know, whatever. This theme is called Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk Walk. It's like super cute. In the back of it tells me everything that's in my Sephora play. I'm going to hardly look at it, but I love this. It's very fun boardwalk scene. And I love the bag. I mean, it's pink and like blue, and it says hot hot hot. It's just so cute. It's very cute. I mean, it's a cotton bag, but it's a cute little print at least. The first thing I'm going to pull out is from Marajo Hair Care. Is the Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. So I guess we're going cleansing cream instead of a shampoo, and deep treatment butter instead of a conditioner. Only need a quarter size of the butter. Wow, okay. Never heard of this brand. Let's see what it says. Opening it. Hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with hair with botanical oils and rich butter. Inspired by Brazilian beauty methods, this dream team uses Pracaxi oil extract to strengthen and hydrate hair for a smoother, shinier look. Next up, okay, I peeked and I thought it was what was going to be in my Sephora box. Not a thing. Not a thing. It's the same. Boo, stop that. I swear. Not a thing, or one thing's the same. I mean, they showed me a picture of 5 products. I thought that was my bad. Nope. Okay. This is the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. And I actually have a bigger size of this, but this is actually a really good size. This is an ounce. An ounce. This is what you pay for those $25 sets. Like you might get 1 or 2 things or 3. I have like the 1.7 ounce. So this is an awesome size. It's a frizz taming styling cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing down hair. So it blocks humidity basically. And it does work pretty good when I remember to use it. I have time to comb it through my hair. So that's very good. The only thing I saw in that box opening that was supposed to be a peek into my box, or what was actually in my box, was this. And this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. This is decent. It leaves a film on your eyes, so I would actually go with my micellar water over this any day. But it does remove makeup pretty well, so I might leave it in here or something. The next thing I have in here is from Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee. I may have this color because that sounds really familiar, so I might have this, but I think I have it like in a smaller tube, like in just a round tube instead of this one. But I'm really hesitant about this formula. The push-up ones I'm okay with. Like I like the ones that are in pushy form. Those ones apply fine. And maybe it's the same formula. I'm not sure because they're both called Mills Mattes. But I had a red one that looked like this, but a little bit bigger. But the same size. I mean, this is 3 milliliters. It cracked after like 2 hours of me wearing it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I don't know if they're the same formula or if they're really not. Next thing I got, which I'm actually excited because I'm getting close to the end of mine. And yeah, I can use the Maybelline a light medium now to set in my under eye because I'm darker now. And switch to the different shade for my face. But this is translucent light. This is the Cover FX, or perfect setting powder in light medium. Now ultra lightweight loose powder that sets makeup for all day wear. Translucent powder uses light diffusing particles to smooth and blur the look of skin for a stunning airbrushed effect. Oh, they have little puns. The Living Proof Styling Cream was, oh, the humidity. The Lippy was Endless Stunner. This is Soft Focus Finale. The Clinique was Clean Like a Dream. And the shampoo and conditioner was Duo You Believe in Magic. Like Duo. Look how cute. You open that up and there's a little flappy thing of the powder. That is adorbs. Okay. Oh, apparently I wasn't supposed to open that. That's just, I don't know what that is. Yeah, you open the top. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know they had samples of this. I didn't know you could get a sample of that. Oh, look how itty bitty that is. That is adorable. Size on my table. That is adorable. And I do like this powder. I actually kind of prefer over the Laura Mercier, which I just think is too soft. But this one's really, really good. I like it. Now, does it keep me matte? No. Does Laura Mercier keep me matte? No. Or at least my nose. Yeah. No. But is it a good setter everywhere else? Yes, it is. So, well, I don't use it everywhere, but mostly under my eye because it is crap's expensive. So I'm actually happy about that, even if it's like the smallest sample ever. Because it's cute. I might keep it in here. Just to have it in here, because I will use that. Alright, the last thing, which made me freaking laugh my tail off. And the title is Glow for a Dip. I kid you not. I got the Boom Boom Cream from Sol de Janeiro, which a tightening and smoothing body cream that gives skin a radiance fit for the beaches of Rio, and uses guarana and Amazonian plant caffeine that's said to improve circulation for a firmer look. Okay, this is the one I got from my Sephora. This is the one I got from Boxy. Same exact size. For $10. This is supposed to be $10. Okay, this feels a little heavier. But it's supposed to be $10, like in this size jar. And I have one that's in a, like a squeezy tube instead of a jar. Alright, let me see if it's the same amount. Okay, it might not be the same amount because it has like a dip in it, but let's see if it's the same amount because this one like looks a little heavy. But still, that still lasts a while if you just use it in certain spots. Okay, and this is the one we got in Boxy. Okay. They might almost have the same amount. They might have the same amount. No, okay. This one's a little lighter. So that's what they did. They didn't fill it up quite as high as that one. But there's still a good bit because there's a good bit on the lid actually. That might be the difference. That might be where it's all eyes in the lid. But yeah. Yeah, pretty much almost the same amount of this and that. And I'm like, okay. Thank you, Sephora Play, for another Boom Boom Cream. That's awesome. Has anybody else got that? I've seen somebody get the Lippy and the Clinique. I haven't seen this, but I haven't watched Bridget's yet. I need to watch Bridget's. That is freaking awesome. So yeah, that is my Sephora Play. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.